Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to delete watermark in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open your Google Docs document. In this video, I will show remove watermark. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now we select from watermark. Then we show the new interface. Then show the text watermark, then from text. Now then I show the watermark. Now what then watermark from delete. Then I show the remove watermark. Now click, then click for done. That it's now you can see delete watermark in Google Docs is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.